The Honest Woodcutter. One day, a woodcutter was cutting wood near a river. His axe fell into the water. The woodcutter became sad because the axe was his only tool. Suddenly, a goddess came out of the river. She asked, "Why are you sad?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river." The goddess went into the water. She brought out a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, that is not mine." She brought out a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, that is not mine." Finally, she brought out an iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter smiled and said, "Yes, that is my axe." The goddess was happy with his honesty. She gave him all 3 axes: gold, silver, and iron. Moral: always be honest. Honesty gives us rewards.